Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our videos. And if you guys are in the market for new, used, or rebuilt wheels, make sure to hit up threepiece.us. We have a huge selection of the best-selling JDM vintage wheels. Or you can visit heritagewheel.com for our fully customizable US brand new wheels. But enough of that, let's jump right into today's video. Are multi-piece wheels worth it or not? Are they? Well, when you first think of multi-piece wheels, you probably think of a lot of money, right? Well, to be honest with you guys, they're not that cheap. So let's get that out of the way right now. But they are really cool. And if you didn't know what three-piece wheels are, they're pretty much wheels that are made out of three pieces. You got your inner barrel, you have your center, which is also called the face, and you have your outer lip. Now, you do get what you pay for. Three-piece wheels do serve more purposes than your monoblock. For example, let's say you got some cool stance build and you somehow managed to bend your lip or barrel. If it's not too bad, you could always take it to a wheel repair specialist. And if it is, you could always swap out for a brand new lip or barrel, no problem. But if you had a monoblock wheel, chances are it would shatter or crack with enough impact. And obviously nothing's interchangeable on a monoblock wheel. Now, don't get me wrong, I do love me some monoblock wheels, but that's not the main reason why people invest their money into three-piece wheels. It's actually because people know how customizable these wheels are, and that allows them to get the perfect fitment that they want for their car without having to run such a huge spacer or any spacer at all. So, stance boys, perfect fitment with no spacer, that's the flex. Now, don't get me wrong, spacers are good and do help solve the problem if your specs are off, but you guys have to remember, when buying three-piece wheels, the goal is to get perfect fitment without using any of that stuff. I mean, you guys are spending a ton of money on these wheels anyway, so might as well build them right the first time. So make sure you guys do your research before buying a set. Now, on top of all of that, three-piece wheels do give you the freedom to change the specs whenever you want. So let's just say you want to wide body your car. You always have that freedom to customize all your specs, so that's a huge plus. You can also always change the color of your lips and barrels if you wanted to. You could even change the color of your hardware. I know we have a nice little selection like black, chrome, gold, rose gold, and then there's even my personal favorite, the neo chrome. Very nice. We also have our spiked hardware, which come in chrome and 24 karat gold, which are so sick. But that brings us all down to the main question, why you guys clicked this video in the first place. Are multi-piece wheels worth it or not? And I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna have to say absolutely. With the amount of customization you could do with these wheels, from changing the lips, barrel sizes, the colorways, the hardware, offsets, you can literally do anything you want with these wheels. So I'm gonna have to give them a solid 10.
That's a 10.
Personally, I love three-piece wheels, especially when you throw a fat 5-inch lip on it. Some of my favorite wheels are Work BSKF, Work Emits, Wed's Bazrez, Wed's Rat Zingers, and also, of course, we can't forget about the Blitz 03. Who doesn't love that wheel? Makes you want to slap your mama.
Yeah, boy. Hey, mama, what the hell you want?
But I also do love what we did with our own heritage line. Some of my personal favorites from there are going to be the Bushidos, Kokoros, and I love the Kodas. You can literally customize those however you like, from specs to colorways. So make sure you guys visit both of our websites, heritagewheel.com and threepiece.us. I guarantee you guys will find something you guys like. And that's going to be all for today's video. So comment down below what's your favorite wheel, and also, do you guys think multi-piece wheels are worth it? We really want to know. So comment down below, let us know. Thanks again for watching, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any of our vlogs. And as always, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.